Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a cranberry apple crisp. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Be sure to subscribe. I post new videos every Monday, Thursday, and Saturday. So let's get started. First, preheat the oven to 400 degrees. Lightly grease an 8 or 9-inch square pan. Use a stone or glass pan if you would like the crisp to stay hot longer. If you use a metal or non-stick pan, it cools fast. And set it aside for now. Then wash the apples and dry them off. Then peel, core, and chop them. Add the chopped apples into a large bowl and add in the cranberries that have been washed, orange zest, orange juice, sugar, cornstarch, cinnamon, and salt, and gently mix them until they're evenly combined. Add the filling into the prepared pan. Spread it out and set it aside for now. To make the topping, in a medium bowl, add in the flour, rolled oats, brown sugar, salt, and cold cubed butter. And use your fingers to rub and squeeze the butter into the mixture until the mixture is combined and crumbly but still has some large chunks of butter. Sprinkle the topping all over the top of the filling in the pan. And bake it in the oven for 30 to 40 minutes until the filling is tender and bubbly and the topping is golden brown. When it's done, remove it from the oven and let it cool for at least 5 minutes. And it can be served hot, warm, or at room temperature. It's best served hot or warm. And even better with a scoop of ice cream or whipped cream. And that's how to make a cranberry apple crisp. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give this video a like and check out my channel for many more videos and subscribe to my channel for more to come. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.